Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today we are going to make another traditional dish. It's called Kakori. So here we have all the stuff for the Kakori. This is a chapati flour, all-purpose flour. The flour we are using is called chakki atta. So it's a whole meal, stone grounded. So that's the flour, the ghee, mixing bowls, baking soda, yeast, which is called khambira, and sugar, coconut, and pan and pots. So here I've got the flour, which is 1.5 kg. Okay, so measure your sugar. So that's 3 cups, 600 grams. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of yeast. It's the weight. It's a little packet, so I don't know about 17 grams.
7.
So 7. Sorry, 7 grams. And the baking soda is 1 teaspoon. Okay, first you need to melt the sugar. Be careful, you want to melt it, you don't want to boil it. So once it gets melted, turn the gas off and take the pot off the gas. Okay, so that's 2 cups of water in 3 cups of sugar, and it's done now, you see. Okay, so we added 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and we're going to add 1 egg, which is optional. Okay, so you need to melt the ghee. We need 1 cup. We'll measure it once it gets melted. Okay, that's your ghee. Okay, so we mix the ghee, and now we're going to add the sugar syrup and knead it. Your sugar syrup needs to be warm, not cold. Okay, the sugar syrup was less, so we added 1 cup of water, half cup of sugar. Yeah. As you can see, you need more water. Okay, so that's the flour done now, as you can see, and you need to rest it to 3 to 4 hours for the yeast to ferment. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours. We're now gonna make the kakori. Here are the dough balls. Okay, so for those of you who don't know the history behind the Kakorey, is when are they made and why are they made? The first one is when your child starts to walk, then you make the Kakorey and share it around in your family. Okay, the second one is when your daughter gets married and you visit her the second day, you make these and take it, and it's known as khwane. And the third one is when your daughter visits you after she's married, come to your house for a few days, and then you make the Kakorey for her to take back to her husband's family. And the fourth one is a new one, is if you are making a YouTube video like me, then you make the Kakorey. So that's the first one. This needs to be deep fried, as you can see. These two are done. Okay, so that's all the kakori done. I'm now going to try to see how they come out. Mashallah, it's good. The sugar is okay. As I said, it would have been better if we had more yeast in it. You know, it's something that you don't cook regularly. The last time we cooked it was about 6-7 years ago. It's still good. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed the making of the kakori. So till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.